Everyone, we are going to see about deployment in Express.js. Deploying an Express.js application involves preparing your application for production and deploying it to a server where it can be accessed by users. Here's how you can deploy an Express.js application to a server. Prepare your application for production. Before deploying your Express.js applications, make sure to set the code env environment variable to production. Minify and bundle your front-end assets, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Update any configuration settings to use production values. Remove unnecessary deployment dependency from your package.json file. Choose a hosting provider. Choose a hosting provider for your Express application. Some popular options include Heroku. To deploy an Express application, you typically have several options. Here are common approaches: using a platform as a service provider like Heroku. Create an Heroku account if you don't have one. Sign up for a Heroku account. Install the Heroku CLI. Download and install the Heroku CLI. Prepare your application. Make sure your application is using a package.json file and that is listed on the port provided on the environment variable port, which Heroku will set. Ensure you have a start script in your package.json file. It should look something like start node index.js. Next, initialize and git repository. Initialize a git repository in your project folder if you don't haven't already. Then give git init and create a .gitignore file. Create a .ignore file and add a node module to it. Next, inside node module, log into Heroku. Log into your Heroku account from the command line. After Heroku login, create a Heroku application. Create a new Heroku application. Heroku deploy to your application. Push your code to Heroku. Then use the git commands. Git add dot git commit minus dash m initial commit and open your application. After a successful deploy, you can open your application in the browser using Heroku open. That's it. Your Express.js application should now be deployed to Heroku. Additionally, you might need to set a MongoDB instance or any other service your application relies on. Heroku provides various add-ons that you can easily integrate into your application. Thank you.